Okay, we come to a typical question in part 1 and part 2. Where part 1, I'll differentiate first. Part 2, I'll integrate. Okay, first one, we all know we'll use product rule. Differentiate first, keep the second, plus differentiate second, keep the first. Okay, let's do the differentiation. Remember, when you differentiate, you have to factorize out lower power and then continue. The reason why I'm factorizing out lower power is because they asked us to show it becomes a power negative half. Okay, so I need to factorize it. So eventually, my power negative half becomes my square root in the denominator. So I managed to show that it becomes 12x over square root 4x minus 5. Okay, it's good habit for you to put shown. Part 2 is a hence question. Hence meaning use your previous part. Okay, so they ask you to evaluate this integral with my upper and lower limit. Okay, first of all, it's not to rush into this part 2 first. Can we write the first method mark? Write down what is your result of part 1 by integration step. What do I mean by this? So I'm able to write down first step is because using part 1 answer is just the opposite direction. I need to find out what is 6x over this common denominator here. Then it's just how do I get from first step to second step? So the relationship between my first step and the answer is I put a half. Meaning my answer, which is what they want, is just half of my answer in the first step. Okay, do I need to put plus C? I don't need to put plus C because I am finding definite integral 4 and 2. From 2 to 4. So I'm going to put a square bracket upper and lower. So my answer, okay, you key in, sub in x equals to 4, sub in x equals to 2, get these two values before you use your final calculator step, 13.76.